I finally made the decision. Turkey, here I come. I've always dreamed of seeing those hot air balloons and the Bosphorus sunsets. So I sat down and made a proper plan. Let me show you how I'm doing it. First thing I did, applied for my Turkey e-visa online. It's fast and super simple. I also made sure my passport has enough validity and prepared some basic travel essentials. My trip is 10 days long and I'm covering 3 unforgettable destinations. Istanbul, I'll explore the Blue Mosque, Hagia Sophia, take a ferry ride on the Bosphorus, and get lost in the Grand Bazaar. Cappadocia. This is all about nature and magic. I'm staying in a cave hotel and waking up early for a hot air balloon ride over the fairy chimneys. Pamukkale and Ephesus. I'll walk barefoot on the white thermal terraces of Pamukkale and visit the ancient ruins of Ephesus for a dose of history. I'm mixing things up when it comes to getting around. Short domestic flights and scenic bus rides. Accommodation, mostly budget-friendly hotels and cute local stays. I'm going full local, street food, Turkish breakfast spreads, and kebabs. So that's my Turkey plan. 10 days of history, food, culture, and adventure. If Turkey is on your mind too, start with your e-visa. The journey begins there. Can't wait to share everything with you. Let's go.